G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. What I want to show you today is this. It's a pouch for the Laplander folding saw. And this is the one, as you can see, which is Molle compatible. So I'll take it off and we'll have a look at it. Okay, let's show you. It's from a company called Sword, S-O-R-D, and they've got the patent number and everything on the back here, all stitched on. You've got your Molle webbing, which is nice and strong, and I really like this bit, the Velcro for securing it. So once, first one, it's secure there already. Takes a fair bit to get that off. And then it folds back over on itself, so it's double secured, so now it's going nowhere. And especially once you've got the Molle strap going through the Molle webbing, that's not going to come off your pouch at all. Now we'll go to the Molle strap. Like I said, we've got the loop for the hook and loop for your Velcro on the end, which comes down to the actual hook part of the hook and loop. Velcro to lock it all in place and support it, as you saw. The actual strap is doubled over a reinforcement part there, and the reinforcement comes all the way up. It goes down and it comes back up and back down and down to a double stitching box and the X, so that's going nowhere. That's nice and secure. And again, we've got, is it treble or quadruple stitching across here to hold it in place, and your stitching coming down, and the actual stitching from the actual tag, it's gone all the way through, so that's given it even more strength just by putting it on. And also with the hook and loop or your Velcro, the material is a 330 denier. But let's show you this. It looks like the material that they make your Molle strapping and Molle straps and your webbing out of. They've used it as a liner, which comes from the top, goes all the way down the pouch, down the bottom, and then back up the front to give reinforcement both front and rear. And that is really strong stuff, that feeling of it. That's going to last you for years. If not, it'll probably outlast you yourself. Panel here of the loop side of the hook and loop or your Velcro, and that's the first part you're securing when you've got your Laplander in there. Which way back? I'll do it that way. So it comes over, and the hook of the Velcro hooks on there first of all. So first of all, that's going nowhere. And to give you double security on that, they've installed some YKK buckle system. So that'll just clip on, which you can adjust. So it'll clip in place and give it a tug, and that is going nowhere, even if you get it caught on a branch or on anything at all. I think that'll stop you before that breaks. And looking at the stitching here again, we've got double stitching, box stitching, and the X stitching as well. And then across here we'd have doubled that and trebled that over. We've got 1, 2, 3, that's quadruple stitching. It's just some of you might say that's overkill, stitch too much, but I don't think so. That's going nowhere. And this was supplied to me by a company called Survival Supplies Australia. They're a fantastic company to buy gear from. I'll put a link to their webpage down below, so just go click on it and have a look what they got. But the quality of this is just fantastic, and the service you get from the Survival Supplies Australia is second to none. They'll do whatever they can to make sure you're looked after properly and you get exactly what you need. And everything I've seen of or handled of theirs or used of theirs has been top quality. It's been really good. So, like I said, it'll go straight back onto the Molle. Let's get it put back on here now. Right, I'm going to put it onto my cook kit pouch, which is what I just took it off. And this is how I do it. No, I'll go through the middle one, sorry. So I'll go through there first. It might be easier if I take that out. Then I'll bring it up the Molle on the back of the pouch, and then through the next one on my cook kit pouch, then through the second one on the Laplander pouch, and then through the next one on my cook kit pouch. It leaves just enough for the hook and loop to go around, and that's it fitted, nice and secure. And with the reinforcement in the strap there, it made it so much easier to just get it through, a lot easier to handle. So again, the Laplander saw inside onto the Velcro and buckle, give a little bit of a tug, and that's all secure and done again. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and you got something out of it, and if you're not a subscriber, please go down and hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are a subscriber, I thank you very much. And go down and click on the link for the Survival Supplies Australia down in the comments section. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.